Good morning, everybody. We are here, and we are having a wild volatility this morning. We've got Dark Bro FIRST first in the chat. Dark Bro baby. We've got 775 Bree Guy, Dark Bro, Frank, Nick F. Good morning to you, Nick F. We've got Peter, Bree Guy, Dark Bro, Michael, Allen, Dark Bro, and Robert. Good morning to you, Roulette Wheel, live streaming already. Absolutely. 775 Bree Guy, Michael, Allen, all of you guys. So glad to have you in here. Let's check the market out real quick. See what we got going on today. Because look at these bottom left, upper right hand corner graphs that we've got going on today. Must have been some good news out there, and there was. The jobs report actually came in very, very high. AMC sitting at $8.91, a 7.34% gain today. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $7.22. It is up 1% on the day. GameStop $15.22, a 3% gain on the day. The SPY sitting at $4.29, a 1% gain on the day today. The Nasdaq, the Nasdaq up 1.30% right now, 13,390 points. Dogecoin sitting at 6.1 cents. Ethereum sitting at 16.44. Shiba Inu coin 7.22. Bitcoin sitting at 27,980, touching 28,000 once again. The SPY sitting at 428. QQQ 363. You get Mullen Auto sitting at $46.99. Sundial $1.73. Netflix $379.57. Highcraft Mining 27 cents. Highcraft Mining, man, testing those new fresh lows. MPW down, bouncing off $5, sitting at $5.22 at the moment. Tesla bouncing around as well, 250 to 258. Oh my gosh, man. I guarantee if you would have bought these calls on Tesla down here at 250 today and it's sitting at 258, you're looking at probably a 5-6x gain in your position already today. That is wild, man. We've got Joby sitting at $6.49 and TMC sitting at 93 cents right now. We're going to watch Bitcoin play out on the bottom left-hand side of the screen because we love Bitcoin moving higher because it typically means that the rest of the cryptocurrency market is moving higher. What do we got, Dark Bro? You gonna win the lottery this weekend and buy me a Ferrari? $1.4 billion. Yes, if Dark Bro wins the lottery, he's got to buy the 9 of us that are in here right now a Ferrari. Deal, Dark Bro? I don't even run a Ferrari, but you got to buy us one. You know it, bro. Perfect. He said, thanks, buddy. No problem, bro. We're gonna retire this week. Let's get started. I like it. He needs a new router. Dark Bro or me? I think we probably both need new routers, man. Let's get this coffee chat going. My coffee's getting cold. Bree Guy, let's do it, man. Dark Bro saw that. What up, what up, what up? What is going on, Chris? Glad to have you in here, man. Worked a little bit. Got that 40 hours in. Boom, Chris. Chris, you already done for the week, man? If Chris is already done for the week, man, he's starting his weekend nice and early. Happy Friday. I want that in writing. Dark Bro. Put it in writing right there, man. The 9 of us. Nobody else even came in, Dark Bro. Nobody else even came in. Dude, Dark Bro is going to be slipping us a cool, we get our choice. Ferrari or a cool 100K this weekend when he walks away with $1.4 billion. I'll say this. You guys got it on recording right now. If I win, and dang it, there's 17 people in here now, so it's going to get more expensive. If I win the lottery this weekend, which I don't currently have any tickets, but if I do buy a ticket, since it is $1.4 billion, I will gladly give the 17 people in here. I don't know how I can confirm which 17 you were in here, but whoever's on the screen right now, let's put it that way, whoever's on the screen right now, will get it cool. No, there's 17 of you in there. I like the guys on the screen. A cool $250,000 if I win the $1.4 billion this weekend. Is 17... Now, you know what? Let's just go million. I really like all you guys. Let's just make it easy. A nice 1 million for anybody on the screen right now. You're getting that 1 million if I win the $1.4 billion. I mean, statistically speaking, I just say that to make you guys happy because I will not be winning the lottery this weekend. Huge overreaction when the report came out. Everything spiked down about 1% on the release. Commodities futures were still good last night, so figured we'd be up. Yeah, Frank, it was wild this morning. People's knee-jerk reaction to the outstanding jobs report was kind of crazy. 3-day weekend, woohoo! J-Bones, baby! Now, that's what I'm talking about. 3-day weekends are the best kind of weekends. I'll even get yours peak-amized. That's what I'm talking about, Dark. Yes, Clay. They aren't letting us get overtime anymore. Dang, dude. Well, at least you stepped up when you could step up, man. They'll be getting you back on overtime. Is it because things are transitioning from like summer to fall? Are they going to be gearing up for plowing and stuff like that? Boom! Bye Bear. Bye Bear is on the screen. I like it, man. Puma of power. Let's make it happen. J-Bone, 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 Pika, 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 J-Bone, 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 Pika, Pika, Pika. All of you guys. Yes, you got it all right there. I want to play a very special super chat for all of you guys. Boom! Patrick! Thank you very much for this super chat. Patrick says, Clay, I hope that all is well with you and the Bro fam. Funny story. I still watch alarms set for 11 and 1500 hours. Even now, it helps to keep me close to the Bro fam, even when I can't join the streams. Dilly dilly. Wow, dude. Everything in here just got wet. This is not supposed to leak like that. Dilly dilly to my boy Dark Brilly for being first. Boy, you silly. Oh gosh, I need to stop. We got that authorized hydration with 9,555 remaining. Patrick, dude, that is awesome. That is actually a pretty funny story that you still got alarm set for the stream to start. And it is a good way to stay close to the Bro fam, even if you were actively at work and unable to attend the live streams. Patrick, man, thank you very much for the support, for the super chat, for all of that, and for staying committed even though you can't make it to the live streams, dude. I love it. Patrick, thank you very much. Gen G, what's going on, Gen G? Peter, man, thank you very much for the super chat as well. Peter, dude, we got it for the lotto ticket. As I can't buy it in the UK. Ooh, but you know what I can do? I can send you $1 million if I win. So the fact that you were on the screen right there, you can even get $1 million if I win that 1.4 billion, man. I like it, Peter. Thank you very much for the super chat, and definitely we got Peter on the chat winning that 1 million. He's not getting 1 billion. I get the bill. $1 million if we walk away winners this weekend. Bye Bear says, I love your videos, Clay. Smashing it out. Bye Bear. Thank you very much for that. Absolutely appreciate it, dude. Especially in times like this. Now, what do I mean by times like this? Dude, people are so sick of stock market, crypto market, investing videos that they are literally not even watching them. You guys can go pull up statistics. You can go look at views on people's channels. Everybody, me, Kevin, Andre, Jake, Graham, Steph, and even the big guys out there with 2, 3, 4 million subscribers are only seeing 1 million views a month. Dude, that's like unheard of, right? They're seeing 1 million views a month and they've got 4 million subscribers. It is like drastically different than it was just a couple of years ago. So, Bye Bear, the fact that you're saying that right now, when you've got 10 people in the live stream, dude, it's an absolute honor, man. So thank you very much. For the lotto ticket, as I keep buying in the UK, so that here's to 6 Saturdays and 1 Sunday. Pre-guy, whatever that means, I like it. Clay, bro, updated spreadsheet in the members chat. No new cash added. Dividends up to 60. The dividends are up $60 a month. Dang, dude. Yeah, I don't know if you have a comparison from before, but dude, $628 a month in dividends between the two portfolios. Frank, you're really supplementing that income, man. I like it. I like it a lot. $628 a month in dividends. I read an article this morning. Sorry, I read the headline. I didn't read the full article because I was doing some videos. But who was it? It might have been the Motley Fool. I think it was the Motley Fool article telling you how to get an outstanding $600 a year in dividend income. My boy Frank is hitting $600 a month in dividend income. So very nicely done, Frank. Thanks, Pat Bro. Yes, Pat Bro. Thank you very much for the super chat. I see a Pika. Hold on one second. Is it normal for landscaping? It's normal for landscaping. They say no overtime, but the visa workers are still out right now. Properties have a certain amount of cuts left. Okay, gotcha. The visa workers. Is that what they're called? Very nice, Chris. Very nice. See, I did not know. I've never landscaped before, so I wouldn't know. Pika power. Thank you very much for the super chat for the Peter of Banfield Powerball Ticket Fund. Thank you very much, Pika Power. Pika definitely on the screen as well. And if we win, she's walking away with a cool million. Yeah, you guys heard it right. Look, there's 15 people in here right now. I wouldn't mind giving you guys $15 million if I won. Come on, focus. What are you going to make me sick? I wouldn't mind giving you guys $15 million. But who do I see on the screen? Pika, Peter, Gen G, J-Bones, Bye Bear, Bree Guy, Frank, Chris. What is that, 8? What do we got here? Peter. I don't know if I said Dark Bro. 9. We got 9 people on the screen right now. 17 people in here. Oh, Geoped's in here. Old Rounder's in here. All right, now you're coming out of nowhere. Now we got 11 guys on the screen. I'll take it. I'll take it, man. You can have that mill if we win. You don't even have to do anything and you get it. Why? Because I really like you guys. I really like you guys. I really would. If I win, seriously, you walk away with, let's see how much you walk away with. Hold on. That button. Yeah. Dude, cash value, $643 million. $643 million, man. What the heck are you going to do with $643 million? Look at this cash value. $643 million in this jackpot. Yes. I can afford to give the 11 people in here. Don't forget Gen G. I'm pretty sure I said Gen G. Robert's in here. Robert Kombu coming in late. 13 of you guys now. Yes, I can afford to give you guys 13 out of the 643. I'll gladly walk away with $630 million and hook you guys up like you've never been hooked up before. And to think, Dark Bro is only on the hook for giving us 100K each. Oh, man. You guys better up it if you win. If so, play the lottery. You always seem to win. Me? Oh, any brother that lives in California. Yeah, doesn't Kombu live in California? Kombu could be giving us, it could be winning the lottery for us there. Imagine what I could do with $1 million. Dude, Frank would probably be generating like, I don't know, 60 grand a month with $1 million in his retirement portfolio there. 643 million, plus or minus taxes. Oh, not plus taxes. That's not happening. Yeah, and the crazy thing is, so they probably just withhold those taxes to begin with, because I would love to say, it's all right, guys. I'll pay you the taxes at the end of the year. Just trust me. Trust me, bro. I'll pay you the taxes at the end of the year. YouTube really doesn't like it if you promote bad activities. I would probably move. If I was on the hook for $300 million in taxes there. Yeah, I'd still do it. I'd move. So out of $643 million, take about $200 million home, and then I gotta give you guys $13 million. So yeah, now we're down to about $173. What the heck am I gonna do with $187 million? I can manage. on $187 million. All of mine will go to fund all the upcoming funds. I love it. There's going to be a lot of funding those funds then. Fashionably late, that is. Heck yeah, Kombu. I'm on a 100x leverage trade. Videotape it, old rounder. Videotape it. If you 100x leverage traded $1 million, oh God, a 1% swing would either, you would get $1 million. A 1% swing would either make you $1 million or lose you $1 million. Videotape that. That would be a pretty wild bet, dude. People would probably watch that video for years to come. And you probably wouldn't make more money off that video, but you'd be able to recoup all the losses as soon as you got that 1% loss on your 100x leverage trade. 6 Saturday and 1 Sunday. It means you don't work a 9 to... Okay, you don't work a 9 to 5 Monday to Friday. Now I gotcha, Bree guy. See, I had no idea what that meant, man. I would just live a simple life and drive a 2004 Camry, 1,000 square foot home, even if I win the lottery. 1,000 square foot house is kind of small. I probably would continue to drive my Kia, though. I'm not going to lie. I probably would continue to drive my Kia. Dark Bro! Thank you very much for this super chat. If I win, you can all have darn it, this guy's outdoing me. Darn it. Oh, man. Does that mean I have to up mine, too? If I win, you can all have 2 million. Now, that's in writing. What's up, my broski? Oh, yes. We got that money right there. The bros deserve the best. And the loyal ones who aren't in, get it, baby. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. He put it in writing right there, ladies and gentlemen. And it will not dissolve off the screen because it came in a super chat. Dark Bro is ready to go. Dude, hey. Listen, we're increasing our chances exponentially right now to win the lottery. All the bros, hanging out with the bros, man. We got millions flowing to the bros if we get that $1 billion jackpot. Screwed if my ticket wins. I'll split it equally. Oh, my. Peter, no, you don't get a ticket. Peter, how are you going to get a ticket? Yeah, exactly, man. Peter's tricking us, guys. Don't believe Peter. He can't play. Peter can't play in the UK. All right, Peter, we see what you're doing there. You're trying to up it. So when we win and we're splitting equally with you, that you're going to be on the winning side of that one. I see Peter's game. What's sad is if you win, you'll be spending $200 million. Not me, Frank. Not me. That's why I will say, trust me, bros. I'll pay you at the end of the year when it's time to collect taxes. And then I'll be sitting, I don't know, man. I'll move down to Cuba or something. Are they going to come after me in Cuba? No, they're not. They probably would. If I owed them $200 million, they probably would. Why did Bitcoin just go back to 28,000? Are you talking about the recent, like this little decline going back down to 28,000, or are you talking about this rally that we've had over the last couple of hours? I'll explain it this way, okay? It seems as though we're starting to get some resistance in this 28,000 area. We tested it back here, and it bounced off. We tested it. It kind of tested it here. It bounced up through for a while, and then came back down. But a little resistance at 28,000 here. Resistance at 28,000 here. Resistance at 28,000 here. Now, this takes place over the last 4 days. So, there's a slight resistance level at 28,000 that is being formed here. So, if you're talking about this pullback off of 28,000, I believe it's because of the resistance that is beginning to form right there at 28,000. If you're talking about why did it bounce from 27 to 28, we essentially got good news this morning. Great news with the jobs report. 322,000 jobs added, I believe it was. 320. I think it was 322. They were expecting 170,000 jobs. They added 322,000 jobs. Now, what that says to me is that these guys that forecast the jobs reports are pretty lousy. When you miss it by nearly 100%, you're a pretty lousy forecaster. So that's one thing to worry about. But the next thing is the economy seems to be doing okay at the moment. Businesses aren't necessarily getting hit too hard by the interest rate decisions and inflation. So the jobs are growing right now, which is excellent to see. So the knee-jerk reaction that took place and that decline that took place on the jobs report reversed itself, and we ended up coming back up to the $28,000 mark there. Big Daddy Dark Bro, get the Blackout Dodge Demon Charger. Get it, man. Dark Bro, I like it. When people find out you have loads of money, you tend to attract the wrong kinds of people. It's true, man. It's true. Good thing I drive a Kia Forte. Just the recent pullback, man, I think that is simply because of the technical breakdown from that resistance that seems to be formed there. Let's see. Is Bitcoin going to repeat like it did? Luke, so I do believe Bitcoin will repeat itself like it did in 2011, 2013, 2017, and in 2021. I believe we will see a pattern repetition there. Is it going to be perfect? Well, it's playing out perfect so far. I'll put it that way. It's playing out perfect so far. And dude, if they're manipulating it that way, you guys are going to kick yourself in the head. Think about how hard it's going to be to kick yourself in the head, but you're going to kick yourself in the head if you give up before 2025. Give up after 2025 if you really want to give up, but give yourself the opportunity, okay? Don't kick yourself in the head. Give up after 2025 if you really want to give up in the crypto game. But if you look at the pattern repetition, it is dead on throughout the last 3 bear to bull market cycles. It is dead on, man. Give up afterwards. Don't give up before 2025. Dead serious on that. If anybody's thinking about giving up before 2025, let's have a discussion about it. But I wouldn't give up before 2025. I'll gladly pay you Tuesday for a hamburger today. I would gladly accept your payment Tuesday, Giovanni. Nothing is equal when there's parallel dimensions. Thanks a lot, Hadron. Hadron Collider. And Susan. Oh, Susan, what are you doing to us? The Upside Down. We totally shifted dimensions. I want to live in my dimension, not somebody else's dimension. I want to live in mine, please. Peter Funnel Fields. What do we got going on? Am I not going through again? No, Giovanni, you're right here, man. I saw gladly pay you Tuesday for a hamburger today, man. Did you not hear me say that I would gladly accept your payment Tuesday and give you that hamburger today? Because I did say that, and I mean it. I would gladly give you a hamburger today for payment on Tuesday. All right, I do have a question for you guys, okay? Because I'm essentially bad at Christmas shopping. You guys are like, what the heck are you talking about? I'm essentially bad at Christmas shopping. So I have no idea when normal people begin their Christmas shopping and stuff. I'm assuming that it's around Black Friday, but so I've been asking a couple people that I know recently, and they said that it's actually a little earlier than that. They've been saying that after Halloween, people start to get into the Thanksgiving and Christmas spirit. So when do people normally begin Christmas shopping? Because I would really like to get my Amazon merch store set up in time for people, because you're going to get it in a day, right? You're going to get your shirt in a day. If it's through Amazon, they get it to you the very next day. So it's not like you're going to have to really worry about processing and all that stuff. But when do people normally, like you guys, when do you normally start Christmas shopping? Or telling people what you want for Christmas? Stuff like that. Let me know, because I'm like, oh, well, Black Friday passed. Maybe I should. And then it's like December 4th, and I'm like, maybe I should start considering what people want for Christmas. And then it's like December 16th, and I'm starting to order stuff, because I know if I want to have any chance of it getting there with time for me to wrap it, I got to pretty much get it by December 20th. So that's my game plan on that one. I am very bad at it. I want to know from people who are very good at it and what the norm seems to be out there. What do you think about the article? Giovanni, what article, man? What article? If you posted a link, the links don't come through. J-Bone sabotaged Herbert's cleat, whatever that means. Ankle roll, but are we back to school mo? I like it, Kombu. I don't celebrate it, but generally working in retail is around 10:23 to 11:15. Dang. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Dark Bro's the Scrooge. Dark Bro's the grit. No, I'm just kidding, Dark Bro. I'm messing with you, man. I completely get it. But, dang, 10:23 to 11:15. That's even earlier than some of what I've been hearing. I've been hearing after Halloween, you're good to go. This dude says Black Friday. Dark Bro is saying retail starts throwing their stuff out at the end of October, beginning of November. That's facts based on sales numbers. That's when the majority of shopping gets done, for real, is between 10:23 and 11:15. Is that when the majority gets done there? Mr. 55 is very similar to me. It doesn't even start to click until about December. And then you're like, oh, crap, Christmas is coming around the corner right here. Christmas shopping, Black Friday. Yes, Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I always miss out. I'm always like, yeah, I'll probably get something for somebody on Black Friday. And then I never do. And then it's like, oh crap, I guess I got to really, really get things started here over the next couple of weeks. Giovanni, I do it a week before. Giovanni and I are in the same situation. Christmas shopping starts in January. Just Jeff. I have never in my life bought somebody a Christmas gift for Christmas in January. I've never done that. If you have done that, you are better than me, sir. You are better than me. Due mine on December 21st. Yes, roulette wheels like me. Gift cards are always a winner. Gift cards and cash, baby. Gift cards and cash. Jones is known for two things. Sabotage and his Faberian. Yes, his Faberian hairstyle. That's like Fabio. Christmas stuff is already out. Oh, what? How is Christmas stuff already out, man? Christmas stuff's already out and it's October 6th? Highest grossing sales rolling month. Really? Mainly because of all the seasonal specials and deals. Okay, so you got a little bit of a mix then between Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas rolling in there. Okay. Dark Bro is literally breaking down the insights in the retail space right now and giving me a huge boost. October 23rd through November 15th. That's when you got to hit the retail up. Dark Bro, I love it, man. I love it. I'm going to make sure that we get some stuff going on by October 23rd then. I'm always proud of myself when I finish Christmas shopping 3 or more days before Christmas. That's a rare event. All right, so I'm not the only one that feels that way, Old Rounder. I'm not the only one that feels that way then. Because, yeah, I never have my Christmas shopping done early. And I got some family members. It'll be Black Friday. And they'll be like, I got everybody's Christmas shopping done. And I'm like, what are you talking about? It's not even December yet. How did you get everybody's Christmas shopping done? Yeah, it's nuts. This is the article. Giovanni, all I see is this is the article. I don't see any article that was sent. And it's funny because Jesus was born in the summer months. That's why the shepherds were there tending their flocks at night. Because it was too hot during the day. Round 1. Fight! Well, dude, we can celebrate it whenever, right? Happy birthday, Jesus. Sorry your party was so lame. And sorry we celebrated it on the other side of the calendar. It's just, that's what happens, man. How high do you think XRP can go in the bull run we are going to have? Hemi Life. So let me say this, man. My price target for a very, very, very healthy XRP is about $10. And my price target on $10 is possibly years down the road or even a decade down the road when XRP is thriving as a business so that it can justify that $1 trillion valuation. Now, during the next bull market, since we know the SEC is kind of out of the game now with XRP, I would be looking once again for that $3 to $5 range on XRP. And that's because we've previously hit those levels when things were going very well and they didn't have a lawsuit to worry about. So I believe those levels can once again be hit on XRP. But I don't think it's going to hit that $1 trillion range, man, for several years until the business begins to grow. So I'd be looking for between 3 and 5 just simply during the next bull market. Giovanni, thank you very much for the 12 months, bro. He is still here, baby. But if he's talking about the article, it's not showing up. It's not showing up. It's just still here. Giovanni, I love it, man. Thank you very much for keeping that name for 12 stinking months, man. I saw that one. People get way too caught up on the details about that he came, he saved us. And the most important thing, that is exactly right, Dark Bro. Doesn't matter when, doesn't matter, I would say no. Doesn't matter when you celebrate his birthday in, dude, listen, we celebrate our birthdays on the wrong days. If my birthday falls on a Tuesday, man, I'm waiting till the weekend to go have dinner with the family and open up a cake and blow out some candles. Open up a present and blow out some candles on a cake. I don't typically open my cake, but you guys know what it is. Christmas is a belated birthday party for Jesus. Santa might be late, but he makes dreams happen. There you go, Peak of Power. It might be belated, but it's here. Old Rounder says it's time for an ad. Old Rounder knew that I wanted to hit you guys with an ad. So you know what to do now. Let me know if you get an ad, because I want to see who YouTube views as consumers and who YouTube views as people who do not deserve ads. I clicked the button right now. Let me know if you guys got an ad, and let me know if you skipped the first one or if you skipped the second one. Congrats, Giovanni. Heck yeah, diamond now. There you go, Giovanni, with the diamond, bro. I love it, man. Humanity, like in Leash. Humanity, I don't actually own any Leash, so very cool. If you like Leash, man. Do you have any? True Ducal, man. What's going on? Oh, Robbie, what's your thoughts on the chart of WSM? Some predictions or ideas? Yeah, you know what? I was actually thinking about WSM this morning, so let's pull that up, Robbie. Here we go. WSM. We got Dorkle on the chart right here. Dorkle is up 1% on the day, but nobody cares because we want to look at WSM right now. WSM sitting at 4.9. Ooh, bouncing back up a little bit. It might not be 4.9, might be 5.1. We're going to see, yeah, 5.1 cents right now after bouncing off 4.5 cents. So we're seeing some volatility kick into play. Self-reported circulating supply, 83% of the tokens that are out there. Very nice. Here's what you're noticing, though, okay? A nice bounce at the beginning of, or the end of September there, a nice bounce going from this support level at about 3.5 cents all the way up, doubling to 7.5 cents. Now, it has been slowly coming down. Now, I want to know, this is the question, I don't know the answer to this. I want to know if it's coming down because people just aren't excited about it, or if it's coming down because more and more tokens are becoming unlocked and people are selling those tokens. If people are selling those tokens, I would wait until all of the tokens are unlocked to really get an idea of where your base level is. If people are continuing to hold or continuing to stake, even after tokens become available to sell, this is still a very healthy graph to me. Okay, we will just simply find our support level to be able to buy in at. But what do you notice? You got a major support at this 4.5 cent mark, major support at 4.5 cents, major support at 4.5 cents. So we've hit it 3 times over the last, a little over a week. We've hit that mark 3 times over the last week. So support does seem to be forming at 4.5 cents. I don't know if it'll maintain that level, but it's something to keep an eye on. If it falls through, be cautious. If it begins to bounce off 4.5 cents again, hey, take a little trade or start your position if you guys want to hold some of it. Dark Pro says, I am a very simple, complicated man. Aren't we all? I have a very specific set of morals and principles that I live by, and I believe every person should do the same. Yeah, dude, because if you don't live by anything, you'll fall for everything, or whatever that saying is. And I absolutely agree with you. Dark Bro, today's my birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Duco. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday, Clay. No ad. Darn it, J-Bones. You got to get an ad. No ad for All Rounder. Come on, man. Has she been done? Excellent question, Aiden. I don't think so. Okay, I am getting a little concerned about Shiba Inu coin being done, though, because the volume is obscene. I'll be honest with you. I would not buy into Shiba Inu coin if I didn't already hold it. This volume right here, it's just not a good coin. You can literally look at any other coin. I mean, look at the bottom left, man. You can look at any other coin, and it has actual trading volume. And, I mean, the graphs look identical. Shiba Inu coin is in a very, very weird position. The ticks just aren't there. So I would not be buying into Shib right now if I did not already own it. So I'm holding what Shiba Inu coin I do own and considering moving some of it to other assets, knowing its current stagnation. But with that being said, I don't think Shib is done. I think that the ecosystem might be losing its luster. But I don't think that, dude, when you have so many millions of people as dedicated as the Shiba Inu coin community is, I really don't think that you're going to be able to kill off that kind of a community. And I think they'll always be around, kind of no matter what happens, man. Whoever wins the Powerball, put some on Shib. Humanity, you missed it earlier, dude. You missed it earlier. Whoever wins the Powerball, not only will they buy some Shib, whoever wins the Powerball, splitting it amongst those that were on the screen earlier. So, dude, you missed out on a cool about 3 mil. 3 mil. Technically, 3 mil maximum. 2 mil if Dark Bro wins. 1 mil if I win. How dead hilarious would it be if me and Dark Bro won the lottery How hilarious would that be if I won and Dark Bro won, and you guys walked away with 3 million each because Dark Bro handed you 2 and I handed you 1? That would be epic, man. If Dark Bro and I split the Powerball just by chance, I think that would be one of the craziest things to ever have happen, man. Literally, the odds of that happening would probably be lower than the odds of just winning, or probably much, much worse than the odds of somebody winning the lottery. 2 guys in the same group winning the lottery, different states, different tickets, random numbers. Yeah, that would be insane. It's an absolute fact that we keep cruising with the access of the Shroud of Turin and the lineage records through France and Italy, specifically Vatican records, that'll never release those. Control. We still talking about the time of the year? Are we talking about something else now? Not exactly sure. Can you look on the homepage of WSM? It's saying something new, but I don't understand what they mean with it. Yeah, Robbie, we'll try to check that out real quick. Pulling it up here, the homepage. What do we see? What do we got? Smart move, Kombu. Another birthday for me this year. Can stay 39 for another year, too. Not ready for 40 yet. Kombu, I'm not ready for 30 yet either, man. Stay 39 forever. I like it. Everyone, till Hamidjgu Meled Amilfalid. That is happy birthday in Icelandic. We know it is, Frank. We know it is. Because we've got the cakes right there. Hopefully, I pronounced that correctly. Still told I don't look my age, so Trudugle, it's alright, man. It's alright. That's okay, Kombu. We can celebrate another Christmas on your birthday. We can keep you at 39 forever. There you go. Sounds like a plan, Pika. Absolutely. Let's get started. Started with present, Gorilla. Very glad to have you in here, even though you came in late. Gorilla, did you get an ad on the way in? Let me know if you got an ad on the way in, man. Here for some Powerball money. Me too, next level. Me too. That's what I'm talking about. The odds of that happening are less than Lunk going to $1. The odds of that happening are less than Shiba Inu coin going to $1. Let's put it that way, Dark Bro. Now, talk about mind-blowing. Exactly. Truducle. Heck yeah, man. Nice. Kombrowski. That's like Kombu, but Kombro. All right. Buy and stay. So where massive $1 million buybacks completed in 5 hours. Is that what you're talking about? Truducle. Or not Truducle. Robert. Are you talking about the thing at the top of the homepage here that says massive $1 million of buybacks completed in 5 days, 1 hour, 21 minutes? If that's the thing, let me know. We can talk about that. All right. So now I don't know. Okay, I don't know how they're doing these buybacks. If they are simply going to go in and buy $1 million worth at when that timer finishes counting down, or if they're periodically going in and buying up $1 million worth of WSM up until that date. So, every hour every hour for the next 5 days, they might be going in, and I don't know the exact math, guys. Every hour they might be going in and buying up $3,000 worth of, or $5,000 or $10,000, whatever it ends up being, worth of WSM. I don't know if they're doing it step by step or if they're going to be doing it at that countdown. But what that essentially means is from the money that they raised with that pre-sale, they are going to go in and they are going to go to the market and they are going to buy $1 million worth of WSM. Now, $1 million worth of WSM shouldn't have a major impact on the price. Why? It's doing 43 million on a daily basis. So 1 million drug out over 5 days, if this volume remains steady, is essentially going to be 1 million drug out over 200 million. Now, 1 million, it's literally 0.5% of the volume that you can expect over that time period. So I wouldn't expect a huge impact on the price with their $1 million buyback. But of course, if they're trying to manipulate the market a little bit, because we know that Wall Street bets and these guys, we know that they like doing some similar things to that. They may be counting down to a time where they're going to go out and put a massive buy. And if that's what they're doing, you could see a lot of other retail investors go in there and throw some massive buys as well. And then you could see a pretty decent spike in 5 days, 1 hour, 19 minutes, and 33 seconds. I don't know how they're doing it, though. I just know that means they're going to be buying $1 million worth within the next 5 days, an hour. Absolutely, Robert. Till? Okay. Tilhamming yo, meth, or, yeah, Tilhamming yo, meth al math. That's just fake news, man. That's just Frank. Tilhamming yo, meth al math. Tilhamming yo, meth al math is the pronunciation. Tilhamming yo, meth al math. Tilhamming yo, methal math. Methal math, it just sounds weird. Methal math. Tilhamming yo, methal math. I guarantee you if that's still wrong, I have no idea. Oh, Tilhamming yo, methal math. Tilhamming yo, methal math. I guarantee I forget it for the next time, so you're just going to have to tell me how to say it again. Next time somebody has a birthday, do I sing it? Like, Tilhamming yo, methal math. Tilhamming yo, methal math. Tilhamming yo, methal math, Frank. Tilhamming yo, methal math. I don't know how to sing that, man. The only thing that scares me about WSM is there is no circulating supply out yet. Giovanni, that has been updated today as well. They've got a self-reported circulating supply of 83%. So I know this said 0 yesterday, but I noticed that was updated when I looked at it here. The self-reported circulating supply is 83%. Now, clearly, if another 20% can be unlocked over time, you know, it might dilute the coin, very similar to Jasmy. It might dilute it down a little bit. But you got to admit, okay, for a coin to come out and have an $80 million market cap and do a consistent $43 million a day in volume, it's actually pretty healthy right now, especially during this bear market, man. You look at Shib. Monero is trending. Wow. Wouldn't have expected that. This is another one that was pretty big when Zcash was big. Monero tapping 400. Monero tapping 400. Monero is going to be tapping 400 again? Absolutely could be. Look at this 2017 rally, man. That's phenomenal. 26 stinking cents to $400. My gosh, dude. If only, if only. Here's the thing. You know, we say, if only we could go back in time. How much money could we make? But guys, dead serious. Look at the cyclical nature of these stupid coins. The 2017 rally, okay. The 2021 rally, okay. The 2025 rally, okay. It's going to be there. I mean, look at Bitcoin, right? You know the cyclical nature of these coins. This is a rally right here. It doesn't look like it, but this is a massive rally that you guys are not catching on with. Bitcoin going from $10 all the way up to 1,000. Like, this is a massive rally right here. 100x gains. And then this next one, Bitcoin rolling from 300 to 20,000. This next one, Bitcoin rolling from 3,000 to 60,000. This next one, these lows that have been hit have coincided with the exact same time frame as the previous lows. We're just simply waiting on the next 2025 rally. So I'm telling you, man, you want the time machine. The time machine is coming in the cyclical nature of the crypto market. Look at the all-time percentage gain on Bitcoin here. Oh my gosh, dude, that is nuts. Hopefully they keep up with some good stuff. Surely has potential. Absolutely, Robbie. Correct. Good deal. People just love meme coins. They do, man. Clay, bro, we're Glowstone. Let's check it out, Dark Bro. Glowstone. Back in the glory days, Glowstone had a market cap of $80,000, I believe. And now it is not even tracked anymore by CoinMarketCap. So, Dark Bro, I have no idea where Glowstone is, because it is no longer tracked. I don't know why. I can't even find it. Let's see if it shows up on CoinGecko. Not even tracked on CoinGecko anymore, man. Dead in the water. Glowstone doesn't show up anywhere. Sad to see. Sad to see. Sad. We still have Illuvium up here. Look at this. I know for a fact that this was that picture that was on milkshakes. Background or milkshakes like website for a while or whatever it was. Crazy. All right, back to Glowstone. Good. Yeah, we're Glowstone. We're Glon gone. No idea where Glon's gone, but it's gone, combo. I only like meme coins because of the potential of crazy gains. I did not invest very much. Robbie, good deal, man. Need Glon to 00008. I don't even know where to find it. Dark bro. I don't even know. Pudgy, F-I-R-S-T. First in the chat. Pudgy. I like it, man. But you weren't first. Dark bro is first. How do I know Dark bro is first? Because Patrick sent that super chat. Right? No, that's Dark bro's super chat. Oops. Dark Bro, your super chat got replayed because Patrick sent this super chat that's going to be playing right after Dark Bros. And I said dilly dilly to Dark Brilly. Thank you very much for being first in the chat, you silly. What a month. What month does the bull run happen on the 4-year trend? End of 2025. It's not guaranteed to know exactly what month, okay? So if you look at it at its best, okay? I don't know what it was in 2013. Let's go take a look at 2013 real quick. 2013 here. Oh, come on. Zoom in. All right, now it's zooming. This is nuts. All right. You're not even going to zoom in? I don't know why it's not working for me really well here. Alright, we could deal with this for a second, and then we could readjust the graph in a minute. So, this rally in 2013 happened end of November of 2013. Now, I'm going to come back out of the all-time graph. We know that the rally in 2017 started essentially at the end of November and rallied into mid-December. So, November, December area. We go to 2021. 2021 peaked November of 2021. So, all of a sudden, you have November of 2013, November of 2017, November of 2021. Is that coincidence? Right? That's the question you have to ask yourself. Is it coincidence that the all-time highs were reached in November of all 3 of those years? I mean, they started in the real rally started here in November, but it did exceed it a little bit and peaked in December. So please keep that in mind. It could just be a rolling month that starts in November and essentially goes into December there. All of those highs were reached in November of that time frame. Very end of November, almost December. The lows, right? The lows now are taking place January of 2015, basically a full year later. The lows after the 2017 rally, you're looking at essentially December into January of 2019, the full year later. The 2021 rally, what are you looking at? You've got the November high, and you've got the lows taking place essentially in December of the following year. So you're looking at the exact same pattern being repeated with the highs happening in November and then the lows happening essentially at the very beginning or end of the following year. It is a perfect pattern that hits every time. So where does that put you? The next bull market rally, and this is, please don't take this as a guarantee by any means, but that tells you if the same exact pattern takes place, sell your assets in November, December of 2025, and you can essentially wait an entire year to buy back in. Now, guys, I don't know if the exact period or exact pattern is going to happen again. Everything could change. But if you look throughout history, it is the exact same pattern every time, man. Every single time. Pick up power. Thank you very much for the super chat. People Heart says, no ignore Pudgy. No ignore Pudgy coupon. Good for 2 uses. Expires in 5 minutes. Yes, it does. Not yet, Pudgy. Right there. Really pushing that expiration, Clay. Right there. I will never ignore you. He has not been ignored once on that one. Pudgy, you got the first one in. It will not happen right there. So Pudgy definitely not getting ignored in that one. He's got one more no exception right now. And I'm telling you right now, Pudgy, my eyes are on you, man. You better make it a good one. My eyes are on you. CryptoRank.io. All right, Dark Bro, I'm going to have to check it out. Did Pika ever get reimbursed? No, Pika did not get reimbursed. I forgot the Pika Power Super Chat, but it did have a robot in it. So thank you very much, Pika, for the Super Chat. I really don't know what it said, but I know it had a robot in it. Thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you. Pika Power, thank you for that super chat that came in way late. And Pudgy always remembering those super chats. Pudgy, you're the absolute man, dude. Except I really did forget exactly what it said there. I just know it had a robot in it. Now, are we ever going to get a crypto bank? It's all about the blockchain for payments, fast and low cost, but will we ever see benefits of a fast and easy low cost transactions? So 775 Bree guy, very likely, man, very likely. You've got JP Morgan starting to roll out and try to compete with XRP and Ripple. Now, here's the good news and the bad news, okay? I don't necessarily want crypto banks. Because what I think is going to happen with crypto banks is the introduction of CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. And as soon as we do that, man, as soon as the government has 100% control of my money and they can decide instead of increasing interest rates or decreasing interest rates to stimulate spending, they can simply put an expiration on my money. I am going to be ticked if that's the direction they go. So I truly believe that by the time we get to banking, integrated with the cryptocurrency market, we're going to be on that path to CBDCs or already using CBDCs. And I don't like the government having 100% control. That's just, they shouldn't have 100% control. If they can tell you when and where you have to spend your money, that's nuts to me. They must have delisted Glan. CryptoRank.io. We got to pull it up. AMA, just entered link on Twitter Space. It was very positive. Very nice, Kraken. I was not in there. XRP to Pluto, 2024. Let's make it happen. The crypto sell-off in the second half of this year seems kind of shallow compared to the previous 4 cycles. 2024 may be massive. I hope it's not massive, man, but the bottom may already be in. It might seem shallow, but it's usually between that 70 to 80% mark of the sell-off that you see there. You've got 2013, Bitcoin goes from 1,000 down to about 300. 70%, almost 80% sell-off. 2017 goes from 20,000 down to 3,000. That's about your 80% sell-off, 75% sell-off. You have the 2021 rally going from essentially 70,000 down to 15,000. Kind of the same time frame there, or the same percentage loss there. So I do believe, man, that there's a possibility we may have already bottomed out, and we're just fluctuating around right now, waiting for that time frame to happen. Look at AMC, man. Andre, AMC is doing very well today, and I think it's because a lot of people are excited about the jobs report. So pulling AMC back up, you can see that AMC is jumping up above $9 per share right now, 9.91% gain. It's an 82-cent rise, touching lows today of around $8 and what is that? The low $8.22, jumping to $9.13 there. AMC's running. GameStop up, not as much. The overall stock market is doing phenomenally today as well, with the NASDAQ up 1.20%. Stocks like Tesla doing extremely well as well, going from 250 to 259. I mean, dude, you look at Tesla, you look at the options that you could have been playing today, you look at the call options that expired today, look at these gains. Oh, these gains are still down on the overall day because the stock price of Tesla is down. But look at these intraday gains is what I probably should have said right there. Look at these intraday gains on these options. This option right here went from being worth 26 cents to $1.57. You've already seen like a 6x increase in the price, almost a 7x increase in the price of these options. Now, they're still down drastically from where they were yesterday, but I'm telling you, 26 cents to $1.57. People are very happy with those gains if they got in nice and early. That message will be no. It will not be ignored. It will never be ignored. Only time I'm not getting ignored is when I'm reminding Clay, or when somebody says, Clay, no igno Pudgy. Pudgy, no, that message will not be ignored. It will not be ignored. Pika is absolutely right on that one. Pudgy, thank you very much for being here, even though it might not seem like you're here sometimes. I promise I do not ignore you though, man. I promise I don't. What are your thoughts on Shib 2024? Tommy, I'm not excited about Shiba Inu coin until the bull market rally happens. Shib's volume is way too stagnant for me to get excited about it right now. Why put AMC in the title and then do not show it? Andre, what the heck are you talking about, man? AMC's on the graph the whole live stream. Oops, I meant massively bullish. Old rounder. I know I missed something on it. Well, they haven't vaporized this yet, so we are not going. We got that going. The aliens? Yeah, the aliens haven't vaporized us yet, so we do have that going for us. Let's see. A low-key Season 2, and now streaming. I have not even seen Season 1, Dark Bro. Finally, a solid day for AMC. John 4-leaf Clover. Yeah, this is hopefully, though, hopefully it can continue that direction. Hopefully it doesn't begin to bounce back up, and then Adam Aaron says, ooh, the stock price of AMC is higher. Let's dilute it again. Because remember, we were talking about this yesterday on the daily graph. I think it was Frank that was looking at it. And we were looking here and saying every time it reaches this level of about 850, it finds resistance. So if it breaks that level, which it did today, now it might be wicking up and coming back down, okay? But if it moves back up, I'd love to see it hit 1086. And we do have two gaps that we need to fill. We got a gap here at $19.94. We got a gap all the way up at $43. The question is, will it fill those gaps? Because I truly believe if AMC ever got back up to this area or even close to this area, Adam Aaron would destroy it with another 40, 50, 100 million shares. So I'm not sure that we'll be able to reach those gap fills, and I'm not sure we'll be able to break back up to those prices. But yeah, AMC is doing phenomenally today, man. It's currently up 11.20% at $9.23. So it's looking pretty good right there. Let's see. Luke. All right. It's a Taylor Swift already, 100 million in pre-sales. Very nice. Is that Netflix, Dark Bro? I know. Oh, Netflix. Streaming on Netflix. I'm going to sell on the 2025 bull run and then not buying anything until 2028. Load up for the 2029 bull run. Giovanni, that is actually, listen, now, that's if the whole pattern repeats itself, right? The whole game could be changed by then. We know it. I doubt that it will, right? Because they love manipulating these prices, and it's very easy if they do so. But, yeah, man, what you're looking at then is end of 2025 is when you're going to be seeing the massive just FOMO rally take place. And then you're going to see 2020, I believe, end of 2026 or beginning of 2027 would essentially be your absolute bottom. And then once again, end of 2029 would be your rally. So if you wanted to get in and wait through the stagnation, you'd be looking at end of 2027 or beginning of 2028. End of 2026 or beginning of 2027 for the absolute bottom. But you may have to wait 2 years through some stagnation at that point if the pattern continues to repeat itself. And if you wanted to get in a theoretical absolute bottom there. Just in time. See you. What's going on, Moji? Glad to have you in here just to say goodbye. Back to the day job. Later, bros. Dark Abacus. Abacus. Not Abacuses. Darkabacus. Oh gosh, what did I put a spell on him? What just happened there? Dark Abacus, man. Thank you very much for being in here. Back to the day job. You better come back this afternoon. By the way, Clay, you're biting the bid. Clay, you're biting the bid one in fantasy football this weekend. I'm gonna smoke you. The dude's gonna lose and it's gonna be hilarious, man. He's gonna lose and it's gonna be hilarious. I'm gonna love it. Don't worry, Kombu. Dark is patiently waiting in the Caribou drive-thru. A line to pick up your coffee should be there by next Wednesday. That it should. Guys, it is 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. And make sure to come back for the afternoon live stream. Have some fun before the weekend starts. Pudgy, if you're out there. There he is. I see you in the chat right now. I love it, Pudgy. Guys, get your names. We're going to do these shout-outs. We'll be back a little bit later. Assassin, man. See you later. Andre, enjoy your day. Next level, Andre, Kombu, Giovanni. See you later, man. Dark Bro, Dark Abacus. See you later. Moji, Dark Bro, next level. J-Bones, baby. Have a good afternoon, J-Bones. Moji, Pika Power. See you later. Pika. We got Dark Bro, Pika, Pudgy saying peace out of the diamond-handed apes. Pika Power, have an awesome day. Absolutely. Robbie, man, enjoy your afternoon. Gorilla, next level. Geoped, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope each and every one of you, Roulette Wheel, Just Jeff, Giovanni, Truducal, have an awesome day.